There are two ways that you can just put lock on apps on your iPhone. And listen, this is the first one that I'm going to show you in this video. The second one, I just need to confirm it. So after confirming, I'll upload the video right here. So all that you need to do is subscribe and like the video, or check in the comment section. The video would have been posted by then. So let's start with this one right here by using the shortcut. So let's start. Let's go into it. So open shortcut. When you open shortcut, you see on the top right corner, we have the plus sign here. Just tap on the plus sign. And then you can see we have here new shortcut. Tap there, and when you tap there, just tap on rename. When you tap on rename, change this right here to the app that you want to lock. So let's say photos, just change it to photos, or let's say TikTok, or any app that you want to lock. Just enter the name right here and just tap on add action. So when you tap there, just tap and search for ask right here. So here, just tap for ask and just select this one, ask for input. So select that one, and then it will give you this thing right here as you see on the screen. And tap here where we have the text. Change the text to number. Okay, so when you change the text to number, you see we have something like a prompt here. Just tap on it. Okay, tap on it and enter password. Okay, so when you enter password, then search for apps. Okay, so down here you see search for apps. Just tap there and search for if. Okay, search for if and tap and select this one. So when you select this one, you can see we have if provided input. Okay, and down below right here you can see we have condition. Okay, so tap on condition and select yes. So when you tap on that one, you see number right here. Okay, this is where you're going to enter the password that you want to put on that app. So let me select input any 4-digit pin. So I'm choosing 1 2 3 4. If you haven't liked the video, kindly do so, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos from here. I'll bring you more. So now we are done with the ask and we are done with the if. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to also tap and search for another app. We are going to search for open. So open, then app. Okay, open app, and search for open app. You see this right here. Okay, so make sure you get this one. Okay, open app. Okay, so when you get this one, you can see we have the app right here. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will give you this pop-up. Search for the app that you want to lock. Photos, and then you select the app. So if TikTok, just search for TikTok, and then TikTok will pop up, and then you select. Okay, so we are locking photos, and this is photos right here. Tap on it, and now you can see we have ask for number with password. If provided input is 1 2 3, open photos. So now you are done with this one. Just tap on done. When you tap on done, you can see now this is the shortcut right here. Okay, so you see there are 3 lines there. Tap on the 3 lines there, and then look down here. You can see we have the share button right here. Just tap on that one. When you tap on it, scroll down a little and then look for add to home screen. Add to home screen. Tap on that one. So when you tap on it, it will ask you of a picture that you want to put on this icon. So just tap on this one right here. It will ask you to either take a photo, choose the file that you want. But I have the picture ready, so I'll go to choose photo. And one thing is, make sure you choose the photo that matches the app that you want to lock. So now you can see that the picture or the icon is on the one that we're going to put on the home screen. Okay, then tap on add at the top right corner. Then tap on done at the top right corner again. And now let's go to our home screen and check. So now this is the app. This is the shortcut that we've just created for photos. So when we tap on photos, you can see it will ask of the password. Now let's try and enter wrong pin right here to see whether it will open or not. My bad, it didn't open. Okay, so let's enter the correct pin and let's see if it will open or not. Boom, you are there. So make sure you like this video. Okay, but there's one thing that most of you don't know with using shortcut to lock your apps. The video on the screen will help explain to you if shortcuts really lock your apps or it doesn't lock your apps.